for this cold weather. Perfect for the holidays. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Hot chocolate, abuelita, chocolate to melt. I have dark chocolate and white chocolate, marshmallows, food coloring, sprinkles, and of course, the silicone molds to make our bombs. I am ready to prepare these delicious hot chocolate bombs. So let's get ready. I have the silicone molds here. Let me show you how flexible they are. I got them at Amazon. That's where you could purchase them. And here I have the white chocolate. I'm going to transfer to a little plate, which I'm going to be able to take into the microwave for just a couple minutes until they dissolve completely. The same thing I'm going to do with the dark chocolate. I love using this chocolate because it's so intense and so delicious that you guys are going to love it. Of course, I have the abuelita chocolate. It's already ready to be used. And now these are all my ingredients I'm going to use. I'm going to start by melting the dark chocolate. And it really takes about 1 or 2 minutes. Remember, do not overheat it. Just wait until they have dissolved completely. And then add 1 tablespoon to each little hole, just like that. After you're done, just start rubbing it through the sides, making sure that you cover all the inside of the little mold. You want to make sure that it's completely covered. And this really doesn't take too long. It's just patient and take your time doing it. They come out so beautiful, so amazing that you guys are going to continue making them for your family. Look, this is how they look. I'm going to take them to the refrigerator for about 5 minutes. So let's take it to the refrigerator and let's continue with the white chocolate. I have melted the white chocolate and I'm going to do the same procedure, adding 1 tablespoon to each container. And look at this. We're going to start pushing it to the sides, making sure that you cover the whole walls of the container. Just like that. I know that it takes time, but at the end, you're going to say, this was totally worth it. These bombs come out so beautiful. And of course, you could decorate them with whatever you want to decorate them on the outside. Look, I'm bringing out the chocolate one. It's nice and firm. And I'm just going to add half a teaspoon of the same chocolate just to make sure that everything is really nice and covered. Here, I am going to separate the white chocolate because I'm going to add food coloring. I'm using pink and blue, but of course, you could decide the colors you want to add or just don't add any at all. But I want to show you how you could decorate at home these delicious and amazing chocolate bombs. And if you have little ones at home, have them help you. It's so easy, so entertaining, and the whole family is going to have fun decorating the chocolate bombs. Well, I'm going to start adding them here. I'm adding the pink, the blue. I'm going to add the chocolate and the white so I could make these beautiful decorations. Okay, these are completely done. I'm going to go ahead and just take them out of the mold. Just be careful. Do it slowly so they don't break. And one more thing. Don't keep them on your hands for a long time or else they will start melting away. Look at this. They look so beautiful. And now this is the best part. Decorating them
with whatever you want to decorate them with. I have here the melted chocolate, and I'm just going to go ahead and start making those beautiful lines. When the chocolate is still wet, you could add the sprinkles on the top or add the decoration you want to add to the top of it. But make sure that the chocolate is still wet before you add your chocolate. And here I'm just going to crack this candy cane really good because I want to add some candy cane right on the top of the bombs so that they look so beautiful and amazing. And I like to do this, decorate them before I start filling them completely with the abuelita chocolate. Just make sure that the chocolate is still wet so that the sprinkles will stick to it. And here, let me show you how I'm using the colors of the blue and the pink. Okay, they are completely done. And let me show you, this is the easiest way to do it if you want to do it like this, or if you want to get one by one individual at a time. Like this, you do it a little faster. I have the candy, the chocolate abuelita, and the marshmallows. And this is what I'm going to add for filling to my chocolate bombs. I have a skillet here which is nice and warm, and I'm going to start just melting the sides of it and then adding all the filling inside. One more time, I'm going to put it again just for a second, and now I am ready to cover it. Once you've done this step, well, you're going to be a pro. You're going to be able to cover every single one just like that. And it really doesn't take too long, but they come out amazing. And I am sure that your family is going to love these delicious and amazing bombs. I am ready for the presentation. I'll see you in a bit.
My friends, I am completely done with these delicious hot chocolate bombs. Look at this. This is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my delicious recipes. This recipe is perfect for the holidays, perfect for that rainy day, and perfect the stay-home mother. When you know something, you want to enjoy a delicious hot chocolate, and why not enjoy a delicious bomb, especially with abuelita hot chocolate. Let's see how this came out. Amazing. I hope, my friends, you give it a try. You make it at home and enjoy it with your family like I enjoy it here with my family. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make a delicious recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being part of my family. Happy holidays. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.